And guys, fresh from the bath na si Lucas. Ayun, continue na yung work niya. Finish your work, okay?
Okay.
Sige.
Hey, no!
Beli mo ba? Beo, video mo siya dito ka. Doon ka. Finish your work.
The color this black. Diba, ano yun, black? No, I don't need to color the black. Okay. You need green and red? Yep. Okay.
Sinunok ka. Sige, oh. Finish your work.
Sarap ng candy.
Low.
Did you taste my candy? No.
Go na. Ako
No, the red candy, the bigger.
Sige,
Okay.
mag-cover ka na. Water, you want? What are you doing? Lucas.
This is a lily bag. Lily bag.
Good.
This is a big lily bag.
Very good.
And then to fly. Fly siya na. Yeah, it's a butterfly. No, that's not butterfly.
Finish your work, okay?
Okay.
Water. Again.
This for the cherry.
Sige.